thing that I really love about this house is this painting here. So if you guys saw from the little clip I showed you guys from the beginning, you would see that the aesthetics for this house is grey, white, and a bit of red tone from the wooden from the furniture. The chairs are obviously grey, the curtains, the blinds are grey, the furniture in the house are grey as well. But I love the pop of colour here, the green and the red. Tulips locking and stuff. This is the only painting in this house, and I love the fact that it's really big, being the only painting that's in this house. So yeah, that's the first thing I love about this apartment. Moving on, guys, another thing I love about this apartment is the table, the centerpiece. I'm not a big fan of tall centerpiece. I love this is just the perfect size, to be honest, and I love the diffuser on there. I love the bottle of the diffuser, it's really pretty and stuff. Yeah, I just love the color of the wood that was used for this furniture. It matches what's it called, where the TV is, which I absolutely love, which is the next thing I'm going to show you guys. You guys can see a bit of the sofa. It's L-shaped. Yeah, I believe this is L-shaped sofa, which is really long. You can lay that on there for as much as you want and stuff. But yeah, this space is really beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. So guys, the next thing we have this big ass, huge TV stand. Well, I don't know what I would call this. I don't think, it does not have any compartment space apart from this place where obviously the TV decoder and the Wi-Fi is. But this is massive. Like, I love the ceiling to floor design they went with. I'm not sure if this is a Pinterest kind of thing. I don't think I've seen this on Pinterest before, but I absolutely love how huge it is, and it kind of matches the tone of the doors as well. And you guys saw the centerpiece as well, so obviously they use the same thing for the centerpiece and this as well. But for the doors, the color matches. You guys can see that this is like red, brick red kind of tone and stuff. So I really love this, guys. This is aesthetically pleasing, honestly. If you want to take pictures, whatever you want to do. And this is not even sponsored, but this is me trying to get my coins, trying to get my money, okay? We have to put our content so we can get paid. But yeah, so I absolutely love this as well. Like, it's so nice. It has, like, obviously, it doesn't have like any compartment space, but it's got a little space underneath here where you can put your camera, just little items and stuff. But yeah, so let's move on to the kitchen. And by the way, this is an open space living room, so obviously the kitchen and the living room are together. But yeah, let me just show you guys the kitchen. So guys, moving on to the kitchen, we have this what is it called now? I can't remember, guys, what it's called, but you guys know what I'm talking about. This for me is really convenient. This is really nice, and it's got like this stool as well. Put it up. I'm gonna show you guys properly. So it's got this stool as well where you can sit down, you can relax, but I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit uncomfortable because it is tall. But yeah, so it also came with this as well to make the house really smell really nice. Here we've got the microwave, which is really compatible, really nice. I think it's microwave oven as well. Over here we've got the cooking gas, which is really comfortable. I mean, it does the job, what it's supposed to do. And we've got the sink area. It's got a lot of cabinet space, by the way. You guys saw from the video, from the B-roll that I showed you guys. Yeah, it has a lot of what's it called, compartment space. And this as well has a lot of spaces where you can keep things. I mean, we don't live here, so it does not make any sense. Even the table, the work table as well, I guess I can't remember what it's called. But yeah, it's got storage spaces as well, which is really nice, which is really comfortable. But yeah, the fridge, yeah, it's stocked up, obviously. We've got a few things in there. It's also over here, it's also got what's it called, a coffee maker. So if you want to brew coffee, whatever you want to do, it's got as well. So we really need to do all that. So but yeah, just in case you want to brew some coffee, then you're allowed to. They've got it. So basically that's, you know, the living room, the kitchen. So now we are about to move to the room, but before that I want to show you guys the lights. Like I love the lights in this place. Like it's really bright and stuff. You can take pictures, you can take whatever. The light is good. The light is good, guys. I'm not using any ring light, and I'm just using, you know, normal light and, you know, whatever comes from the camera. But the lighting in this place is really mad. Like it's so good. So I'm gonna show you guys the chandelier. Like guys, listen, it's so pretty. Like it's so good. But let me just stop rambling and just show you guys. Okay, so guys, just look at that. Like, oh, this is so nice. I absolutely love the lights. Like the light is amazing. I love the chandelier, like the 3 as well. It comes after the other and stuff. And then moving on, there's this bit as well, guys, that it just glows. Yeah, I love this as well. And another thing I forgot to tell you guys, it's got an AC in the room, in the living room, and in the bedroom as well. I think I'm not sure. I think I made a mistake and said that like 2 windows, but there's one window there, which is the blind. There's another one here, then there's another one there, and another one here. So they have like 4 windows in total. This is the microwave close up as well. And yeah, there's another work table here, worktop here as well, for the, what's it called, the microwave. Like guys, this apartment has a lot of compartment spaces, like a lot of cupboards and stuff where you can store, like a lot of storage spaces. The stools, and obviously it's got, you know, what's it called, another storage spaces. And this is where the what's it called, the, you know, plates are. But yeah, they had a lot of sense because, you know, they added what's it called, wine cups as well, champagne cups. And this is like normal cup, and this is what's it called, a mug, which is really big. So yeah, so again, let me give you guys a 360 of what the living room looks like, and the kitchen. And yeah, so we are in the room now, and this is the bed. Sorry, excuse the television. So this is the bed, and I love the bed. I love it. You guys can see that it comes, I mean, what's it called, the headboard, the headspace is from here literally to that other end. And they've got like 2 sides, what's it called, beds as well. And yeah, the room is quite, like, I mean, it's comfortable, it's nice. The pillows are so soft. I'm not gonna lie about that. The pillows are soft, and it's got 2 windows. So there's one here, there's one here, there's also the AC. You guys saw the lights as well. So the lights they have in the living room is what they also have in the bedroom. There's also a spotlight. I love the POP design and stuff. So let me show you guys the wardrobe space. I'm not going to be showing you guys inside the wardrobe, but I will show you guys the you know, how big the wardrobe is. Okay, so guys, this is the wardrobe space. Unlike the last one, the one I just finished talking about, this one is not as big. The last one was like literally from here, literally over here. But yeah, I mean, it still works. It works. I'm not gonna open it for you guys because it's a bit messy. Okay, it's a bit messy. But yeah, it still works. It does what it's supposed to do. It has like an okay amount of space, not the greatest amount of space, but it is, like, you know, it is what it is. It's good, it's okay. So yeah, I mean, if you've got your suitcases, or you can keep extra stuff there. But yeah, so another part I forgot to show you guys, which I'm going to show you guys now, is the side of the bed. So guys, I was going to show you guys this. It has like this side and that side as well, so it's really long. You guys can see we keep our bottled water over here, and whatever you want to put over here. It's so comfortable and stuff. So yeah, and it has like like literally around the bed and stuff, and you guys can see as well the what's it called, the headboard ends over here. But yeah, the light is a bit dark, but yeah, that's okay. So I'm going to show you guys the bathroom now. so that's basically the house tour. I really like this place. I think this, yeah, per night is 40,000 naira for this apartment. I don't know, I'm gonna ask Dolly if we can leave the information in the description box below. So if she says yes, then we'll definitely leave it. If she says no, then no is no. But yeah, that's basically everything. I really love this place, I'm not gonna lie. It's really nice. It's got a mirror here as well. I think I forgot to show you guys the mirror, but it's got a mirror as well. And basically, I mean, it's comfortable. It's really comfortable. If you can afford it, then it's definitely comfortable. So that's basically it. Like, I don't know why I keep looking up instead of because I'm not using my camera. Yeah, I'm using Apple's camera, so I don't know why I'm looking up instead of, you know, the camera. But yeah, literally that's everything. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll definitely be here to answer all your questions and whatnot. But yeah, that's basically it. So if you're yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Join the family, you know how we do. If you are a new subscriber, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please consider subscribing to my channel. If you're an OG, a returning subscriber, you're the real MVP. But yeah, so that's basically it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay easy, breezy, and beautiful. Bye guys.